Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 23 to 29, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Pisces for this week. What are the energies for you this week? Wild woman. Free. Being free. I think you're going to be more open, no, sa mga bagong ideas, bagong experiences. It's like, parang pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo sa mga limitasyon. Ano man ang tong limitasyon na to or kung sino man tong naglilimita sa'yo. Yes, you are breaking free. Wow, okay. Let's see what else. Phoenix, right. So this is about rising from the ashes. So parang pagbangon. Ayan. So maring iba sa inyo, if you have experience na parang feeling mo may mga failure sa buhay mo, may mga hindi nagtagumpay na plano, or mga trabaho, business, or anuman. Now you are changing. Kumbaga parang bumabalik yung lakas ng loob mo. Yes. This is transformation as well. You have Nest, which is about your home. So maaring this week, you are also going to focus on your family, your home life, yung bahay ninyo. Maaring, meron kayong babaguhin sa bahay ninyo. May mga redecorations or rearrangement ng furnitures. Pwede rin merong renovation ng bahay. So, yung iba naman, pwedeng bibili kayo ng bahay o ngayong week na to. O magda-down payment na kayo. Dahil sa nakakuha kayo ng mga bonus or malaki yung inyong kinita sa business nyo. Let's see what else for Pisces this week. You have the Two of Swords, Ace of Cups, new beginnings talaga. Wheel of Fortune, major change. I think meron kayong gagawa ng paraan pagdating sa pera. Meron kayong major decision na gagawin para makapagpundar ngayon, or parang meron kang ma-erase na money, no? So yung iba pwedeng meron kayong ibebenta, may i-release kayo na gamit, i-let go nyo para raise kayo ng funds. Pwedeng meron kayong susubukang bagong business, career, or project na doon mo ilalaan yung oras mo, yung panahon mo. And I feel like there is going to be a change here, no? May magbabago dahil sa mga susubukan mo. Magbabago sa trabaho mo, sa career mo because of your courage, lakas ng loob. I also see positive messages for you with the Wheel of Fortune and the Eight of Wands. May mga good news na parating sa inyo, yung mga namumroblema dyan sa pera. May solusyon na parating. Okay, so be open to that. I also see someone helping you. Merong taong tutulong sa'yo sa iyong financial challenge. Yung iba dito, unexpected. Pwedeng merong mga taong nagkakautang sa inyo na hindi nyo inaasahan na babayaran kayo, biglang babayaran na pala kayo. Some of you, meron kayong sisimulang bagong proyekto na magiging masaya kayo dito. So, this can be a new job, new career, new business. Some of you naman, meron bagong relationship Kung single ka, pwedeng meron mag-open na bagong opportunity for love. So, pwedeng the person that you're dealing with, medyo maputi, no? Baka foreigner, no? Yung iba sa inyo, foreigner. May friendship. So, pwedeng this person, nag-start kayo as friends. Tapos naging passionate. ang inyong connection ng person na to. Okay, so iba, pwedeng meron kayong kaibigan ngayon na in the future, pwedeng made-develop, no, from friendship, or baka magkaroon kayo ng, alam mo yun, yung iba, friends with benefits. Okay? So, let's see what else. The Fool, the Moon. Okay, merong yung iba sa inyo, pag-isipan, no, yung mga papasukin yung romantic connections. Kasi I see someone na susubok sa isang relationship or connection na kailangang itago. Oo. So, syempre, pag itinago, pwedeng merong, kaya tinatago kasi may issue. But yung iba naman, yung iba itong tinatago na to can be feelings. So, pwedeng meron kang kaibigan na merong secret na romantic feelings sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw to na merong secret na romantic feelings sa person mo, sa kaibigan mo. You have Stars, Gentleman. Stars is about hope. This is also success. So, if you have a collaboration with someone, trabaho, business, career, pwedeng merong, pwedeng maging successful to sa inyo. Some of you, this is a successful job or career abroad na pwede nyong i-explore, susubukan. You also have the Bear. Okay, sabi dito, your financial positions, you should be aware. Spend your resources with wisdom. So, maging maingat daw sa pag-handle ng finances nyo. Huwag masyadong gastos. Para hindi kayo maubusan. Kumbaga, maging mindful sa mga pagkakagastosan ninyo. Composure, jealousy. O, sa trabaho, pwedeng merong may naiinggit. Oo. Or someone na merong who wants to bring you down. So, pay attention sa mga sa katrabaho nyo or someone na ka-deal ninyo. Maaring this person doesn't really have a good intention towards you. And when it comes to finances, maingat ka talaga ngayon sa pag-handle ng pera mo. Kumbaga may nagbabago sa pananaw mo pagdating sa pera. Mas ka ngayon, parang nag-hold back, nagumastos. Yung tipong pinag-iisipan mo na muna bago mo bilhin. And kapag na-realize mo na hindi yun makakabuti for you, then you're not gonna spend on it. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much and see you again.